Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be comparing human blood with frog blood. Now, which organism's blood do you think we're looking at right now? In case you don't know, this is the human blood. This is a immune cell. If you don't know what that is, you should watch my immune system overview videos. And these are red blood cells right here. Now we've seen human blood. I want you to take a look at this for a few seconds and really soak in what's going on here and let me know when you figured everything out. I'm going to give you a few seconds. You can always pause the video if you need to and just take in what's going on here. Alright, now we're going to change the slides. It's going to go dark for a little bit. Alright, the video is still playing. I am just changing the slides for you. Alright, slides are being changed. We're going to make sure we still are at the correct, maybe. Alright, let's find out where we're at. And we're in the frog's blood. Let's get to the correct magnification, and wow. Let's just take a look at this. What do we see here? Well, the first thing we see are a whole bunch of red cells. Those are probably blood cells, right? Well, let's take a look at them and find out if they really are blood cells. Take a look here. As we can see, they have something in the center of them. That wasn't in the human blood, was it? I don't remember that. They seem to be bigger, and one last thing that seems to be different is there are a lot more open spaces than I remember in when we were looking at the human blood. Something's going on here. What is actually happening is the fact that frog blood cells have a nucleus. It's that little thing in the center of them. And they're bigger because the reason our cells don't have a nucleus, the place where they keep all their DNA, or our blood cells don't have a nucleus, is because they need more room to carry oxygen. So they're just bigger to carry oxygen. Sorry, that O is a little rough. They're just bigger to carry more oxygen to the other cells in the frog's body. And ours are smaller but have no nucleus, so they can carry lots of oxygen to the other cells in our body. And the reason there are a lot more open spaces is because the frog cells are just so much bigger than our cells. Even with the nucleus, they can hold more oxygen than our cells can, even without the nucleus, so they don't need as many blood cells. Now, let's change the lens, and let's see something. Alright, let's change the magnification to where we can look. And yep, definitely a lot more empty spaces. Next, we're going to find some frog immune cells. Ah, there we go. Up here. And, alright, so immune cells. There are lots more immune cells in the frog's body. Just lots more immune cells. That's just a few of them circled out. There's still more. Wonder if you can find how many there are. Tell me in the comments how many you found. Well, there are lots more immune cells than in the human blood. We only got like one in just one area. So there are a lot of immune cells in the frog's blood. That's probably because the frog has more room in its bloodstream because it can carry more oxygen in its blood cells, and because the frog eats bugs, and the bugs have all sorts of bacteria and viruses on it that will get into the frog's body. So the frog has lots more invaders to defend against. If you thought my videos were cool, please consider subscribing, and goodbye.